Yeah guys, just wanted to show you this cordless power cutter for the DeWALT batteries. You can see it's yellow, then usually compatible with the DeWALT. As far as I know, the same manufacturer is also producing the same power cutter for Milwaukee batteries. So depending on which battery set you're using, you choose either DeWALT or Milwaukee. So I'm here with the DeWALT version, and so we get also short instructions manual, but it's very easy to be used, comes nicely protected. And so here we have this device, makes a really good, really solid impression. Yeah, solid build here. What we have this trigger here, we have this safety lock, we have the blade lock here in the front, and blade very powerful with a very high 6500 RPM thanks to the powerful 270 watts motor here built in. So we can cut a lot of different stuff, usually up to 0.25 inches. For example, flannel, fabric, paper, leather, corrugated paper, and also sponges, and even aluminum sheets up to 0.02 inches. And so here we have the tip is this high quality tungsten steel blade, really nicely protected. You can see it here, nice shape. Keep it here inside. And of course, always make sure when adding or removing the blade or whatever you do which is not related to cutting, make sure that the battery is removed. And to add the blade is super easy. We can just slide it in here from the top. You can see you don't even have to pull this switch here, and it's nicely locked. Of course, to remove it again, we have to pull back this switch here so we can pull it out. Yeah, it works definitely easy. Here the model type and the speed. Yeah, everything makes a good impression. Large trigger here, also with the safety release button here, exactly where I have the thumb. Otherwise, I can't use it. That's absolutely perfect. We get also a screwdriver and some replacement screws if you need, but that's usually not needed because everything comes in good quality. And so we get really everything except from the DeWALT battery. And so I have one here, can see, I can just easily slide it here. Inside has a proper lock, and we can also nicely remove it again. So it looks like the locking mechanism also works perfectly. And now of course time to remove the protection, and so we are ready to go. And so you can see when I push the trigger here, nothing is going to happen. I really have to push here first the safety trigger, and only then it will work. And as you can hear, it's not very loud, definitely below 65 decibel, probably even far below 65 decibel. I have the impression that it's really quiet, so very comfortable to use also for longer time. And so it has been working for me absolutely awesome. I've been trying with different stuff, for example, cardboard and some other stuff, and it has been working absolutely awesome. Yeah, I love this thing here. What impressed me also a lot was the clean cutting with almost no sawdust. I mean, clean, actually super clean. That's something I never could cut on my own with normal scissors. It's absolutely impossible. The cardboard pieces I've been cutting look absolutely like industrial cut. That's so much easier than using a normal scissors. I mean, if you have to do just 1 or 2 cuts, then you can use a strong scissor. But if you need to cut some pieces for longer time and maybe even more accurate, then something like that is highly recommended. I mean, for me, it's total game changer, works absolutely perfect, exactly how I expected it or how I wanted it. I really haven't found anything to complain about. And so if you're interested, you can find the link down in the description of the video, so you can check it out and order one for you if you like. Maybe also really nice gift for somebody who has already DeWALT batteries and you know that this person has to cut a lot. And so I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with this OHYES power cutter, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, see you next time.